Okay, quick video on latest motor upgrade. Putting I don't know if that's focusing or not, but a HK 4025 740 Scorpion motor. This thing will run all the way up to a 10S. It's gonna be crazy. So I had to create quite a bit of modifications to the motor mount, and after 3 motor swaps, I don't know why they can't standardize the bolt holes on the back of these motors, but this thing looked like Swiss cheese, so basically made a nice big open square channel on all 4 corners, and then I JB welded some steel washers in there so I could adjust them to match the bolt holes on the back of this motor. And so once I lined it up, I put the JB Weld in there and let those set before I bolted it down. Turned out pretty good. It's pretty solid. On the inside in there, I've got a 100 amp Grayson ESC with a BEC 10 amp. And then I've got these wooden cross braces molded into the fuselage on top and bottom using Gorilla Glue, and then I put a nice big thick layer of Gorilla Glue on the top and bottom, letting it sit separately, you know, once upside down and once right side up. So this thing, this firewall is pretty much molded in there. And then the way I bolt these things in, I got rid of the regular screws and I use these nice little wood screws here. And the trick is that I put a nice little coat of Gorilla Glue on the screws before I screw her in, and then that Gorilla Glue expands and tightens everything up. Now the cool thing is, since it's steel and plastic, is that I can get these back out when I need to with a little bit of with a, you know, a nice screwdriver with a little bit of force. But I've already changed it out 3 times using this method, and they always come out, but they don't move while it's in there. So looking for a pretty solid setup here, so I'll post a video when everything's back together, and then we'll do some amp tests with the watt meter, see what we're getting, and then take it to the field.